Hi, welcome to Zoomer Trading. Today we're going to be showing you how to trade faster using ThinkorSwim. Okay, to get started with Active Trader, we're going to go ahead and click on Charts. Make sure we're on Charts on this tab. Type in any stock of our choice, and from here we can click on this up here, and we can actually design how we want our layout to be. We can go with the square, we can go with 4 across the top, we can go 4 vertically, but for now we're just going to go with 2. Okay, so how I like to set this up, time and sales on this side with level 2 for the stock that I'm watching. And to trade the options on this, I'm going to click on here, trade. I'm going to type in BA right here. I'm going to select the strike that I want. Okay, I want the 240 calls. I'm going to right click this, click copy, go back to charts, and paste that here. Okay, we don't really need the chart for this side, so we're just going to click on Active Trader, unclick chart, click on level 2, and from here this is where we're going to be customizing our buy tab. So we're going to want to click this drop down arrow. We're going to want to make sure that auto send is clicked, and we're going to go to this cogwheel right here. Okay, from here we're going to want to add buy ask, buy bid, sell ask, sell bid, position indicator, and working orders indicator, and we're going to want to click OK. I hope this layout helps you to get in and out of your trades quicker and manage your position better. Subscribe to Zoomer Trading for fast explanations and faster trading. Thanks for watching.